In this tutorial, we will control the relay switch using Raspberry Pi. We are using 4-channel relay module board, which is easily available on Amazon. We will connect the Raspberry Pi GPIOs with this board for sending the high and low bits. And this bit will control this switch. If for example, if we will send high bits, then switch will on and any electronic device will turn on. And when we will send the low voltage or 0 bit, then the switch will be off and device will be turn off. This is a very useful module because we can connect any home appliance. We can connect any electronic device for home automation or for smart home concept. Okay, let's start. You can see in diagram we have many pins in GPIOs. Some are ground and some are giving output voltage 3.3 or 5 volt. We will connect red wire to 3.3 volt and orange wire to ground, and brown wire we will connect to GPIO 27. You can use any output pins according to your programming, but I am using GPIO 27. Now we will connect this jumper wire to board. Red wire means 3.3 volt will connect to VCC, and orange wire will connect into ground, and brown wire I will connect to input 4. You can use all 4 input 4, but in this case I am using only one input. I have this 4-channel module, but you can use according to your requirement. If you want to use 4 devices, then you can use this, you can buy this because this is cheap. But if you want to control more devices, then you can buy 8-channel module or multiple 4-channel module as per your requirement. Okay, now we will test. We will connect LED or bulb for check the connection. I am using this bulb using 2 batteries, means 3 volt approximately. I am using the breadboard for create the circuit. I have connected the ground to directly bulb, and for circuit connect and disconnect I am using the positive voltage is going directly bulb to relay switch. When we will send the high bit to board, then circuit will be connected and light will turn on, and vice versa. When we will send the low bit, then circuit will disconnect it and light will turn off. Let's go to programming part. I write the code in Python using GPIOs. You can find this code in video link description, or you can download directly from navicode.com. I have created GUI interface because we need to press the button on and off for control the GPIO pins. You can see by pressing the button it is turning on or off. You can use any device. You can remove this LED and you can connect any device for controlling remotely or using any program like face recognition, like something this. It's depend upon you. In next video we will control the door lock. We will use the magnetic door lock, and we will lock and unlock using this same module. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and visit navicode.com for more tutorials.